So here's a little rundown of everything that you're going to need for this course. First is your grocery and shopping list, which I've included in the following lectures. Second, a positive attitude. You're about to pursue something that could potentially transform your body and change your life forever, so be excited about the goal that you're pursuing right now. Next, I always recommend that my clients get a crock pot or slow cooker so that we can make cooking as easy, simple, and tasty as we possibly can. The next thing that I'm going to ask you for is a little more challenging and what a lot of people don't really care for doing. When I would ask most of you, what's your goal for health and fitness? Many of you would say to lose weight and to get in better shape. Whereas those are great goals on their own, there's one huge problem with them. They're not quantitated. So we need to take those goals, break them down into a number, whether that's your body fat percentage, your weight, or your waistband, and focus on that goal. The second problem with that is there's not a date set to hit that goal by. So where's the motivation going to be if we don't have a specific number that we've set for our goal and a specific time that we can hit that goal by? So I want you to do some homework right now to start for your goal setting on this course. I want you to think of what you want your indicator for health or for your weight loss to be. If that's your weight, that's fantastic. If you want to just simply use the waistband on your favorite pair of jeans or shorts, that's great too. If you want to get really into detail and get some body fat calipers or an electronic body fat measurement scanner, then that's a great solution for this too. Even if you want to use a combination of all three of them to see where you are in a month from now, in 3 months from now, in 6 and 12 months from now. Set your goal right now. Take out a piece of paper after this lecture's over, write it down, and then set a date to hit that goal by. We'll talk about goal setting a little bit later in this course and as you go on. There will be things that you'll do, like by the time you hit your goal, you may have hit a plateau on the way there. We're going to talk about how you can break through that plateau and continue to pursue your goal so that nothing can stop you from being successful and losing weight.